Hi guys, this is Hajra Vadhariya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a glitter wing liner tutorial, which is an easy glam look. And we are done with our eyebrows, and we are gonna now start with our eyeshadows. So we are using KKW X Mario palette from KKW Beauty. Oh my god, I'm struggling opening it. Okay, this is a gorgeous palette. I love it. So my lids are set, so we are gonna directly start with our eyeshadow. I'm using a Morphe brush. Any blending brush that you like, you can use that, no issues. So I'm going to grab the first shade, which is Miami, which is such a nice warm color to just warm up my lid in a sense, and also the crease. So yeah, I'm gonna pop this in my crease, kind of give some warmth on the eyes to actually start with the entire look. So this is an easy glam. You can even glam it up further, and I'm gonna tell you how you can do that. So I'm doing the same thing on the other eye, and I'm gonna make sure that I balance both the eyes even throughout the tutorial. With each and every color that I pop on, I will make sure that I balance both the eyes. So that is what I'm doing right now. So you can see all of my blending motions, and that is how you gotta do it. Blending is the key, so please focus on my blending motions. Okay, so I'm continuing doing that. Next, I'm gonna grab the shade Albanian to just give a little more warmth and color in the crease and give some depth. And I'm gonna pop this in my crease. You can see, just put very less pressure and do your thing. And I'm gonna see, I just popped in a little more Miami because I thought it was missing a little bit. And then I'm just gonna take Albanian again, and I'm gonna pop that too. So balancing both the eyes and blending is the key. So I'm again just with this shade as well, I'm just trying to balance both the eyes. Then I'm gonna grab the shade Loyalty, which is such a cool tone brown color, just to give a little depth and darkness on my outer corners very slightly. And then whatever's left, I'm gonna run that in my crease, so there are no harsh lines. Now I'm grabbing this Morphe flat brush with the Max Studio Fix compact powder, and I'll be using this to actually cut my crease, to just give more sharpness and to highlight the entire lid area. You will see me doing that to actually sharpen the crease up and also highlight the lid. Here, if you want much glamour look, you can just use a good shimmer, any shimmer eyeshadow or a nice pigmented highlighter, just to glam up the look even further. Now I'm blocking your view, I'm sorry. Oh my god, I suck at it. Okay, so I'm just grabbing the blending brush again with no product, just blending it. So I'll be using this blending brush for the entire look. So how good is that? Okay, now I'm grabbing the Stila liquid glitter in Molten Midnight, and I'm gonna create a wing liner with it. Now I'm gonna make sure that I go with very short strokes, as you see, and I'm gonna just do my liner first and then drag a wing out of it, a long wing. And then I'll make sure the wing matches the liner really well and just create that gradient line. So yeah, you see that? Yes. So once I'm done with this liner, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye, like the same glitter liner. So one more thing, you guys, if you don't have liquid glitter, you can use loose glitter as well, which is super easy. I'm gonna link the steps in the description box, like I'm gonna write the steps in the description box. Next, I'm gonna grab the shade Vegas, and I'm gonna run that very slightly on my lower lash line, just to give a little slightly bit of color and balance the entire eye. very lightly. Then I'm gonna grab the shade Glam and 2008 to pop on my inner corners and on my brow bones. And I'm gonna again grab a blending brush with no product just to blend so that there are no harsh lines. Even I'm using my fingers to do that, but also we'll again go once with the brush. So once we're done with that, I'm grabbing my Lash Princess mascara by Essence in green. I'm gonna pop that up and I'm done doing that. So if you want to glam it a little more further, just pop on some great false lashes. I don't want it to make it super duper glam, so I just stick to this. Yeah. So here's a closer look. I hope you guys find this helpful. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys will wear it soon. So if you create this look, recreate this look, don't forget to tag me and share your pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed it, loved it. If you did, please like my video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell icon so that you'll be the part of my glam fam. Love you all, and bye bye. Take care.